Hello dear children, welcome to our today's class. Today's thought is, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Now let us continue with our first chapter, Geometrical Constructions. Now today we will start with practice set 1. Now children, be ready with your textbook, notebook and geometry box. You all have to write everything that we are learning in the video. You all are supposed to use sharp pointed pencil for the construction of diagrams. No one will use any kind of pen for construction. Now, here the first question is, draw line segments of lengths given below and draw their perpendicular bisectors. We have already learned this. Now, let us do the same. Here the first segment is of 5.3 centimeter. 5.3 centimeter, it means 5 centimeter, 3 millimeter. So on scale, we will draw the segment from 0 up to 5.3. That is the third line between 5 and 6. So start from 0, draw it like this up to 5.3. Give any name to this segment. Here I am giving AB. As this segment is of 5.3 centimeter, we have to write the measure below the segment. Now, we will draw perpendicular bisector of this segment. For that, we have to take the measure greater than half in the compass. So, adjust the compass. See it here. Now, we will adjust it. Now, this is greater than half. Put the needle end on one vertex. Give the arc above and below the segment. Similarly, from vertex A, give the arc above and below the segment. So start, put it on B, give the arc one above, the other below. Then from vertex A, give the arc of same measure above and below the segment. Now join these 2 points using ruler. Are you all able to see? I think it is very clear to you all. Draw the line passing through both the intersecting points. Give the arrow. Give the names to the line. Here I am giving RS to this line. Now give any name here to this intersecting point. I gave here M. Now we will check whether line RS is perpendicular to segment AB. So all of you take your protractor, put it on vertex M and see. Is it clear to you? It is of 90 degree. That is, line RS is perpendicular to segment AB. Now, so we will put the symbol of perpendicular. Now we have to check whether M is the midpoint of segment AB. So here the segment is of 5.3. So each part should be half of 5.3, that is 2.65. So when you put the ruler on this segment AB, see, you will find it is between 2.6 and 2.7, that is 2.65. It means both the parts AM and MB are congruent. So we will put the symbol of congruency here like this. Now here line RS is perpendicular as well as it passes through the midpoint, that is it bisects the segment AB. Hence we say that line RS is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Now what conclusion we made here? The first one is measure angle RMB is 90 degrees. The another we get here is segment AM is congruent to segment MB. So this is our second observation. We will write it here. Segment AM is congruent to segment MB. Now by these 2 observations, what we conclude? Line RS is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. So the same we will write it here. Line RS is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Now we will move to next example. Here the next example is 6.7 centimeter. So again we will start the construction. 6.7 centimeter, it means 6 centimeter, 7 millimeter. Take your ruler, place it in your copy. we have to draw the segment from 0 up to 6.7. That is the 7th millisegment here, between 6 and 7. Now give any name to this segment. Here I am giving the name PQ. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector. Again the same thing. Take the measure greater than half. All of you see here. This is the measure greater than half. Give the arc above and below the segment. Now without changing the measure, give the arc above and below the segment from vertex P. So now what we did here, from both the vertices, that is from vertex P as well as vertex Q, we gave the arcs of same measure above and below the segment. Now take your ruler, join it. Now give the arrows, give the name to these intersecting points or to the line. I am giving here RS. Now line RS is the perpendicular we drawn here. Now we will put the protractor and check or verify whether it is perpendicular or not. See, it is exactly perpendicular. So we will put the symbol of perpendicular. We will give any name here M. This segment is of 6.7 cm. So we will write its measure below the segment. Now we will verify whether PM and MQ are congruent or not. So again put the ruler. Half of 6.7 is 3.35. So now see, if you will observe here, you will get PM is of 3.35 and the MQ is also of 3.35. So we will put the symbol of congruency for PM and MQ. Now we will see the observation. Line RS is perpendicular as well as it is the bisector. So we can say that line RS is perpendicular bisector of segment PQ. So what is our first observation? Measure angle RMQ. Measure angle RMQ is 90 degree. Then segment PM is congruent to segment MQ. So this is our second observation. Then the third, from these two we can say that line RS is perpendicular bisector of segment PQ. So we will write it here. Line RS is perpendicular bisector of segment PQ. Now, is it clear to you? Now, we will move on to third example. The third example is 3.8 centimeter. Again, we will draw the segment of 3.8 centimeter. 3.8 centimeter is again 3 centimeter and 8 millimeters. So start marking from 0 up to 3.8. Again, give any name to the segment. Here I am giving AB. Now to draw perpendicular bisector, we will adjust the compass greater than half. Again, place it on B. Give one arc above, the other below the segment. Without changing the measure, put it on vertex A. Give the arc above and below the segment. Now join them using ruler. Give the arrows. Segment AB is of 3.8 centimeter. So we will write its measure here like this. Now we will check whether it is perpendicular. Put the compass here like this. It is exactly 90 degree. So we will say that it is perpendicular. So put the symbol of perpendicular. Give any name here RS. Any name to this point M. Now here angle RMB is of 90 degree. So already we have mentioned here. Now we will see whether AM and MB are same or not. Half of 3.8 is 1.9. So put your ruler and find it whether AM is 1.9 and MB is 1.9. Yes. It means these two parts are congruent. AM is congruent to MB. So from here we observe that measure angle RMB is 90 degrees. Segment AM is congruent to segment MB, and therefore we can say that line RS is perpendicular bisector of segment AB. So children, here we have completed with our first question. You can take measure of some more lengths and you can do draw perpendicular bisector on that. We will continue with our second question in our next video. Till then, complete your copies till here. Thank you.